I need to get a workshop. It's mad doing this in clients' houses. It's so much easier in a workshop. Watch this space. Watch this space. Base cabs are in, plinth's done, tops are on, but I've got to route the edge tomorrow, so I've left a sample here for the client, so hopefully get a decision on that in the morning, and then I can route the edge and start getting the shelves built in, try and get this finished tomorrow, ready for spraying Friday, maybe Monday.
The next day.
That was sort of local vernacular for do you want to have a fight? I just thought he meant do you want me to let you?
Right, I'm getting the doors done on the cabinets now, so it's got this shaker detail. So we're laminating 9mm MDF to 18mm MDF. Glue and pin.
Where basically they said we're just going to bounce off Australia and we're going to go there. Weeing while you're driving is extremely dangerous. Would you be willing, would you be willing to some more mature mental brilliant. Journalist coming in, she's I'm sure I did, yeah. He's going to because I know this journalist is disgusted.
I haven't done any filming this afternoon, but I've managed to get the doors done and 2 of the shelves in. I've just got the centre shelf to do tomorrow. So doors there, all complete now, sanded. So we've got veneered oak for the shelves. This will be sprayed, and this will be edged. I've got 100mm fluted fillers to go in there, each end, and one there and one there. And I've got a shelf to go in here and in here to sort of encase the telly, and a soundbar at the bottom. And I've just got a flat filler to go in across the top, so the cornice will run along the wall and return straight across. Instead of a crown moulding and trying to tie it into the cornice, it just wouldn't have worked. So good day, more tomorrow. Morning, Friday at last. So first thing this morning, I'm having to pull these, so I got these cabs in last night, the shelving's in, but I'm having to pull them forward now because we've got cabling and stuff that I wasn't completely aware of to go down the back for a soundbar that's got to come up and some other stuff. So I'm going to spend the next 20 minutes pulling these all forward, and then I can whip this one out, shelf in, put the back on, and get it put back together.
With Holiday in its name and the classic restaurant with the golden arches in Hull, Stones Ferry Road, the A10.
Flows at me for crimes against Elvis, but it's not my fault that hunk of burning love setting fire to school uniforms. Racism of accidentally being the child of German immigrants because Germans
Just got it done. So fluted detailing fillers in, shelving units in.
Unquestioning support. So I got told off on Friday for using the word blind, and it's such an entrenched part of national discourse, public discourse, that I